Morning, YouTube. How y'all doing today? I wasn't planning on doing a video like this just yet, but as you seen in my last video, I threw away my circular saw. Here's a clip for that. So, my birthday was last weekend, and my dad gave me a gift card, and I had some things to return, so that left me enough to get a new circular saw. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this Bosch 7 1/4 inch circular saw and see what it looks like. Let's take a look. Alright, so what we have here is the Bosch CS10. It's 15 amp, 5600 RPM. It says here that dust-free view of workpiece and cut line thanks to powerful air blower. Well, we'll find out here shortly. But let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. Put that over there for now. First thing I pull out, well, check that out. It comes with a bag. I don't think it says anything on the box about having a bag to go in. Pretty nice canvas bag. The zipper's real smooth. I like it. I don't know if I'll use it, but I like it. So right off the rib, it's packaged pretty good. Doesn't look like it's gonna get beat up, or got beat up during transit. Got a wrench for the blade. That's cool. I can't never find those. So out of the box, everything seems to be pretty smooth. I'm not sure what this clip is for. We'll have to check that out. Read, see what it is. One of the reasons I went with this one instead of the DeWalt was because this plate looks like it's a little more heavy duty than the DeWalt was. It looked like some thin gauge steel on the DeWalt, as to where this one seems pretty heavy. It's got a real nice bottom. Looks like it's going to ride pretty smooth. And it's got some ribs on the inside. Looks like it's going to keep it pretty solid. Another reason I went with this one over the DeWalt was the height adjustment right here. I really like the placement of that. The DeWalt had it here on the inside, and it looked pretty chintzy. I didn't like that at all. It has a blade lock for changing your blade. Well, let's get a better view of that. Right here, change your blade. The DeWalt also had that. And then the 90. We have a release for that. What's got going on here? Oh, it's got increment marks. It snaps in place at 22.5, 30, Ah, I see. This pin pulls out to allow to change increments. I did not know it did that either. That's a pretty nice feature. It's a little snug right out of the box. But yeah, we finally got it all the way to 45. Goes back a lot easier, I can tell you that. And then locks back into place. Like I said, 15 amp motor. Comes with a 7 1/4 24 tooth blade. Seems like a pretty thin blade though. Might be a 16th inch. Does it say on here? 5/8. 5/8 inch. And it's got your standard warranty card. Instruction manual. I'll read over that later. Well, I'll get some cuts on here and we'll see how it works. So I looked this saw hook up in the instructions. All it says is it's a saw hook. It doesn't say what it's for or what it does or how to use it. So if anybody out there knows what the hell this thing is for, let me know in the comments because I ain't got a clue. It'd be nice to know what it does. It's on there. I'd like to know what it is. Alright, so we got a cut on it. Everything looks pretty square. It glided nice and smooth. Cut pretty well. The guard slid up pretty nice. There was no catching in it. It was all smooth. I got the corded version just because I got 300 foot of cable that I run all over my property. And I really hate it when my batteries go dead. So I prefer to have a plug-in tool instead of a battery powered tool. I do have battery powered drills, but it's just a little more convenient, except when they run out of battery. What else? I do recommend the tool. I like Bosch, and so far Bosch hasn't let me down for anything. But the Craftsman served me well for 4 years. You can't appreciate a high-end tool until you've made a low-end tool work. So if all you got is like 30 bucks to go out and buy one, go buy one. And in a couple years upgrade. You'll appreciate the higher-end tools as you upgrade from the lower-end tools. Alright, YouTube. That's my review of the Bosch 7 1/4 inch circular saw. Have a good day.